Hey guys, it's Kyla. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be packing for a trip. So let's go. So I'm super not prepared at all. Like, I'm leaving in a couple of hours. Like tonight, I'm leaving at 3 a.m. for the airport. Everyone knows now my vibe is Pilates princess or super coquette. I have a lot of clothes here that are that aesthetic. I'm excited to wear in the States, and I'm gonna show you one by one. Wait, this is so sweet. So like, I was so annoyed that these didn't arrive on time, and they literally just arrived now when I'm packing, or like the day before I'm leaving. So that's pretty good. I got this bolero cardigan thing. You know how this is very in right now. I'm gonna like flash pictures of inspo. I planned some specific outfits, and the rest I'm just bringing random stuff. So this is the black one. I plan to wear this black one, this pink black bow dress, and then wear them with like leg warmers or long socks with my black Adidas Superstar. So I really love the Frankie's Bikinis workout sets, and Aloe too, but you know I can't afford that, and we can't really buy that in the Philippines. So I bought these ones. They're like dupes. This is from Forever 21, the blush baby pink leggings, and then I have two workout tops that are from Forever 21. So this one is like a V-neck top, and then this one is a round neck. I don't know what you call it, or scoop neck. My boyfriend's birthday when we go there. So I need to bring a nice dress, you know, just for dinner. And I'm thinking of this dress. It's from Susie Clothing. It's like a nice satin dress that's halter. Look at that detail. Oh, here's another cardigan of mine. It's just like a bolero also, but it's oversized-ish. So part of like the aloe aesthetic or athleisure aesthetic is this cute tennis dress. This is from Zalora. The brand is Abercrombie and Fitch. It's so pretty and it's so flattering because I wore this like once already and it's so cute. So I plan to wear this with like my pink cardigan tied and then the cute shoes. I don't know what shoes yet. Okay, so for Disneyland, we're gonna go to Disneyland. And then this is the outfit that I'm envisioning. This long sleeve crop top with low-rise jeans. So I hope my tummy will be really nice that day. But this shirt and then these jeans, this outfit, and then probably my Adidas Superstars also. I don't know yet like how many pairs of shoes I'm bringing, but sana konti lang. So I'll be staying in Orange County for the first week, and I'm gonna hang out with my friend that lives there, and we're gonna go like for a beach day. So I wanted to wear this in the beach because it's still kind of cold there. These low-rise pants, and then this sheer top, the sheer trend. I've been wearing this like for 2 years already, and I love how it's like getting the attention it deserves. So that, and then I don't know, it doesn't really matter the shoes because I'll be at the beach. And oh yeah, not to mention, so I have to be working for some days and taking content. So I'm gonna you'll see in the next video what's cooking up for me. Black Bow also sent me a couple of bikinis. These ones, from their latest collection. I'm gonna show. Wait, I'm like so flustered right now. Sage green one. And then the underwear. I'm gonna decide right now which one I should wear to the beach. I have no idea. I like don't know yet. Probably this one. But here. And then this tulip one. And then this picnic tea time one with like strawberry and pretzel details. I actually don't know which one's my favorite. Maybe this one, the purple one. And then another workout set is this, also from Zalora. It's this pink tennis skirt, aloe dupe bra, sports bra, obviously. They are the same color-ish. They're both from Cotton On, but they're sold separately. Oh, and then I'm trying to copy this outfit that I saw on Pinterest of Bella Hadid. So I'm for sure bringing these shoes. So this is from a local IG store. It's called Andante Footwear. It's owned by my friend who I used to work with. Just like classic white leather loafers, and the inside is really nice. And what I like about them is they offer a wide size range. Most of the local IG shops, they stop at 38 or 39, which is size 7 or 8. So I'm like, my feet are so big. So I'm copying Bella Hadid's outfit. I saw it on Pinterest a long time ago, and I was like, this is such a cute outfit. I wish I could recreate it, and this is me recreating it now. So it's this. I'm gonna wear this urban top, and then this denim mini skirt from Brandy. I actually wore these together already before, but then I'm gonna wear it, accessorize differently. So these two with the shoes and white socks, white high knee socks, and then a white headband. So oh my gosh, here, this is so pretty. So another sheer moment. The thing is, I wore this recently and it didn't look flattering on me, but I'm gonna make it work because I love the set so much. Maybe it's too small for me, I don't know. But here, this is the top. It's a pink lace corset. There's not much structure except that it's boned in the front compared to my urban corset. So it's just like mesh in the back. This skirt, imagine, it's so pretty. Like everything is pink. This set, and I don't know what shoes, maybe my brown boots. That's why I'm like, I have so many outfits, and then all of my shoes are different except for the Adidas Superstar ones, and I'm just like, I don't know what I should bring because I'm only gonna be there for a while. And yeah, not to mention, I got this on Shopee also, this mini active wear jacket, but it's ribbed. I don't think it's for activewear. It just looks like it's for activewear. It's so cute and flattering. Pants, they are from Forever 21 also. They're super flattering because of like the X waist and then flares. This also makes my butt pop af, and in a good way. I'm bringing my Realization Par Scorpio tee, of course. I always bring it when I'm there. Oh no, another outfit that I thought of was this. I've worn this like so many times already. I love it. And then I have this skirt I bought from Zalora. So I plan to wear this with red shoes. So like, so many shoe ideas. This one naman, I don't know if I should bring it. Should I bring it or should I not bring it? It's another sheer moment, but when I wore it for the Zalora video, I'm gonna show it here. It wasn't really flattering on me, so I don't know. This is a maybe. This is a closet essential. This is my favorite top. I got this from Kate Sfia. Like, I saw her wearing it all the time on Instagram, and when I met up with her for the first time, she's wearing this top. I was like, bitch, where is that top from? It's from Urban Outfitters. It's so pretty. It's so flattering. It makes your boobs look really big. Okay, so I have this set. I don't know if I'm actually gonna wear it out though. So it's these two. I'm already wearing the top. The shorts are very short, so I don't know if it's like a vibe I should do when I go out. I mean, I can wear this and then like a leather jacket and my Doc Martens. That's the outfit I was thinking of. But then again, Doc Martens, will I bring them? They're so heavy. So I'm bringing my satin robe just because when I make content and whatever. If I'm not mistaken, it was given to me by Nivea for PR. It's so cute. Like, I use it all the time for my get ready with me's. Do not forget my favorite shorts from Brandy. These are the Logan shorts. I've had these since like 2018. Going back to Brandy Melville, here are these jogging pants that fit so well on me. So I've had these for like 2 years also already. So this is a cute Coquette spaghetti strap. I forgot the name of the top because it's a new one. And then just in case I get cold, Brandy Melville Athalia knit cardigan, white, so it matches everything. It's probably gonna be my airport outfit. So these pink jogging pants. I don't know yet what my top will be, so I'm gonna set this aside because I'm gonna wear them later. Oh yeah, I forgot to show this earlier. This is the black bow pouch. It's so cute. It's matching with a bikini I showed earlier as well. So I have this dress I bought on Carousel, but it's kind of see-through. The material is pretty thin, so I have to wear like a bodysuit thing inside, but I think it's so pretty. And last, of course, my basic white ringer tee. This is from Cotton On Zalora also. Tote bags. I'm bringing my Realization Par tote bag. I lost this and I couldn't find it for like a year, and I finally found it. Okay, so I have this skirt. I don't know if I should bring it anymore. It's my maxi skirt that's like really tight fitting and flattering to my butt, but I don't know if I should bring it because I wear this all the time. It's not that I don't want to repeat outfit, it's just like I want to rotate my other outfits. I'm bringing this jacket. This is so sentimental to me. I bought this back in 2021 pa. Hearing it, I sound so maarte saying like, oh my gosh, it's so old. I bought it 2021, which was just 2 years ago. I just get so sentimental over my items. Like, if I lose them, I'll be so sad because I just value them so much, especially if I buy them abroad and there's like a sentimental meaning attached to it. Like, for example, I bought this in 2021 when I was living in the States for 3 months, and I'm going back. It's just like stuff like that get to me that wouldn't matter to other people. I just feel like I'm hypersensitive. Moving forward, This is a off-shoulder top. I don't know what to pair this with yet though. Of course, I have to bring my pink tube. I'm thinking it's bagay with this. These two. But I do not know. The backless tops. So I have a beige one. I have a pink one. And I have a black one. But I don't know if I should bring all of them. Yeah, I can wear it with like this, right? I think these are cute. Oh my god, this is really cute. Like this backless top. Tapos this tight skirt with like black platforms. Okay, I think that's an outfit. I'm gonna keep that. I also have this other one. It's like a v-neck, so it's like nice for the boobs. I have this pala. It's just like a plain white mini skirt that I got before from PR from Shein, and I use it all the time. It also makes my butt look really good. That's why I kept it. Okay, so this is the vibe we're going for. Like, I don't know if it's Jedge. This mini skirt. I have like a green sandal and I think I can wear it together, and then my brown boots. I'm also deciding if I should bring this jacket. So this was also thrifted. I'm not sure if I got it in Carousel or in the States. Colder there now. I don't know if I should bring it, and I'll look like Shaggy or like someone from Scooby-Doo. I don't know. Okay, so this is the sitch. All my clothes are here. Stuff that I added pala in my outfit. So I thought of this fit because right, I wasn't sure about this off-shoulder top. So I decided to pair it with this skirt. And then I have a brown and black belt, which is somewhere here. I cannot find. It's really cool. So it's black, and then you can like flip the side. So it's in the brown side. It's like a dark brown. Bringing my leather jacket. This is really nice. So I was able to wear this in the winter, but I was cold because it's like a fake leather jacket. Oh my gosh, don't forget my Minnie Mouse ears because I'm not buying new ones in Disney. I'm so excited. And then I'm bringing this extra black shirt. I can wear it with my my jeans and then like my Adidas Samba. So for sure I will bring my Adidas Sambas. That is it. I feel like I just need to pack now my toiletries. Oh yeah, these are the bags that I'm bringing. So this is a thrifted one from the States, also one of my favorites. My LV Murakami, my Fendi, and then my Chanel one. And then my Rory and Sloan bag, thrifted red one as well. I'm so excited to thrift there. I thrifted these two near my cousin's house. So I'm excited to visit my cousin and we'll thrift together. So yeah, so excited.
She ain't got no money, her clothes are kind of funny.